You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, cause watching you is all that I can do.
Our day has finally arrived, the one we dreamt about since childhood. What began as an innocent meetup full of laughs would transform into a commitment to a lifetime of love. I knew early on you were different, someone God had placed in my path to challenge and complete me. When I was lost, you became my map. When I was surrounded by darkness, you shined a light. You have made a better man in me every day, for which I am eternally grateful. I pledge to honor you, I promise to cherish you, and I swear to always bring you Dunkins on my lunch break. Babe, you are the yin to my yang, the concrete to my foundation, and own the keys to my heart. I cannot wait to walk in your footsteps forever. Unconditionally yours, Dustin.
I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room.
Wow, this is it. The day is finally here. As I write this letter to you, I go back in my mind and think about all the fun times that we have spent together. Seems like yesterday we were in the pumpkin field getting engaged. And all the craziness and stress that we had these past few months, the only thing that has calmed me was knowing I get to spend the rest of my life with my best friend. You are a strong, brilliant man who challenges me, supports my dreams, and shows me a happiness I never thought was possible. With you by my side, I know we can handle whatever life throws at us. I can't wait to walk down the aisle as a fiance and leave as your wife. I'm excited for our forever together. I love you. Love your soon-to-be wife, Nicole.
Stealing kisses undercover, babe. See forever when I see your face. And I swear God made you for me. You make it easy.
Looks so good. Looks so beautiful. Oh my.
Better have my saving grace. You make me who I wanna be. You make it easy. You took all my rough around the edges. Never let it ruffle up your feathers, angel. Yeah, I'm down for life. You got me wrapped around your finger, and I like it just in case you can't tell. You make it easy, loving up on you. Make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the darkest days. My bed.
As they were walking past the stunning display of purple flowers, a swarm of butterflies flew by, a symbol of joy and good fortune. Dustin got down on one knee. He looked up and asked her to marry him. And therefore, in the presence of the family and friends, I, Tony Zecca, in accordance to the laws of the state of New Jersey, take great pleasure in declaring that you are now, you ready for this? Yeah, you want me to say it? You want me to say it now? Okay. You promise to remember those rules? Okay, I'll say it then. You are now husband and wife. Here ends the ceremony. Here begins a wonderful life together. Please let's hear another loud round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Dustin and Nicole Robinson.